Okay, for this one we're going to do 12, 13, and 14. 12 is simply 4 times 80. This is similar to what we did before. We're just going to easily multiply 4 times 8 to get 32, and then plug in our 0, 320. So, now once again, we could just multiply this like this and do 4 times 0, which is 0, and 4 times 8, which is 32. So we'll get 320 either way. For our next one, we have a 2-digit multiplication. That is number 13, and that is 37 times 32. So we're going to start out multiplying by our ones. So 2 times 7 is 14. The 1, we have more to do, so we're going to carry it up here. Then 2 times 3 is 6, plus 1 is 7. So I always kind of cross that out so I know that I've used it. So right now I've just done, actually, the problem 37 times 2 and got 74. And so now I've already finished multiplying by the 2, so now I'm actually going to look at this problem as 37 times 30, which means I can put a 0 down here, and 3 times 7 is 21, carry a 2. 3 times 3 is 9, plus 2 is 11, 1,110. And so once again, I multiply it just like it was a 30, even though in actuality it's a 32. So I did it as 2 separate problems. 37 times 2, and then 37 times 30, which we actually did as 37 times 3 and added a 0 to the end. Now we're going to add our partial products. We have 4, 8, 1, 1. 1,184. Now we're going to go on to number 14. For number 14, our problem is 789 times 10. Now 10 is a multiple of 10, and we're going to simply multiply 789 times 1, which is 789. Anything times 1 is itself, and then add the 0. So we're just going to add then this 0 to the end right here. So we have 7,890. Okay. Okay.